Let me show you my approach and how I invested my first $1,000. This is by no means investing advice. This is just an example to help get you started. And use AI. You're not alone in this. We have the tools at our disposal that we've never had before. There's a simple, easy to follow PDF in the show notes below that maps out my strategy for my first investing. I put 60% of my $1,000, that's $600, into clean equities, individual stocks in clean energy, like solar companies, ETFs, basically baskets of similar companies focused on sustainable tech, and companies that make money without destroying the planet. 30% of my $1,000, that's $300, went into hard monies, inflation protection. Gold ETFs, that's easier than buying actual gold bars. Silver ETFs, Bitcoin ETF, crypto without the hassle. And as of now, I have yet to invest in any real estate funds. My first real estate investment is going to be for my 5-acre homestead. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know where I'm going with that. These hard monies are stuff that keeps their value when everything else crashes. The final 10% is my safety net. Defensive cash bond allocation. Cash and government bonds. Boring but necessary. My financial seatbelt, I like to call it. I want to distinguish a stock from an ETF. A stock is investing in a single company. This is higher risk, higher reward. An ETF is investing in a basket of sometimes hundreds of companies. Less risk, less reward. I'm fully aware that my picks are by no means perfect picks. These companies are going to have their flaws. We have to remember companies are profit driven, so they're going to make decisions that may be questionable at times to appease their investors who are out to make money. We got to be responsible. Yes, we're trying to make money with these, but we want to be able to live with ourselves and invest in responsible stocks and ETFs to build a brighter future. And for all you proactive overachievers, leave a comment below on the first stock you invested in that aligns with your values.